Beautiful. Very exciting. Yeah, I think just one each first. All right, there's our first prototype, 100% recycled materials, recycled plastic legs, recycled wood, destined to the dump. Looking good.
Am I putting it through this or through the...
I think on the back one, through the black plastic into the back one. I think like maybe 3/4 of an inch up. Man, that thing looks cool though. I think we got a good prototype here. I think that's perfect. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, fully recycled materials. I think it's gonna be perfect at the senior center. I love the way it looks. Let that wood dry and clean it up a little bit. Beautiful.
See, that's big enough. Nobody's going to be hauling that off.